All right, man, just got off of work. Sorry, it's kind of cloudy and stuff out. Pulled up to the car wash. I'm just gonna wash the car real quick. I've got plans to get an install done on the couple things that I got from Subimods, and having a clean car will definitely make that install better, and I won't be slapping new parts on a dirty car. So let's go ahead and get it clean, boy. Get a little before look. Ain't looking too bad. About to clean it up way better. Get this man started up. Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Shut my dang door. Gotta put the seatbelt on, bro. All right. Car's clean. Now gonna head back over to the dang house. Hopefully my package is there from Subimods. That'd be super sick. Everybody's about to be mad at me because I didn't dry my car, but it doesn't really make sense for me to do that.
My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing no wisdom. My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing no wisdom.
$5:29, basically 5:30, and it is pretty dang dark out here, dude. Gotta love that winter daylight savings time or whatever the heck. It's kind of wild coming back home from work and it's pretty dark out. I mean, the camera's not really doing it too much justice. The camera makes it look like it's a little brighter, but it's a little dark out here. like that. Got the new tail lights installed, got the new shift knob installed, got one of the reflector overlays installed, only the one on the bumper right now. I'm gonna be doing the headlight probably this afternoon, something like that. Really love the tail lights, they look super sick. The shift knob looks super sick. I don't know if you can see it well. Freaking love that thing, man, it's pretty cool. The only thing is, on the tail lights, I can't 100% figure out the track mode. Allegedly, there's a track mode on them. You gotta like power on the key onto the on position, and then flip on and off the lights 3 times fast, and then foot off the brake. Next time you hit your brakes, it should flash and give you like an F1 style lighting. Mine are not doing that, so I emailed Subimods to see if they can help me out with that, and I'm waiting on that, and we will see what happens. But other than that, these things are sick, and I'm loving them so far.
Inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets real big.